Hi there and welcome to the module number 7, where I'm going to be showing you how you can explode your views, how you can get tens if not hundreds of thousands of views really quickly. So first off, I'm going to show you how to get even more views. So I'm going to show you some cool tricks to get even more views with the help of Facebook, but not with the help of our private Facebook group. I'm going to show you everything inside of that lecture, and keep in mind you will not have to invest any money. So everything that I showed you in this module is gonna be absolutely free. It can be done for absolutely free. So this Facebook thing, it has nothing to do with Facebook ads or anything like that. I'm gonna explain you everything inside of that lecture. Then I'm gonna tell you why and how videos actually go viral, what is important for you to know to make one video go viral. Then I'm gonna show you how to actually get your video go viral. So I'm gonna show action steps on how to get your video go viral. And then the last lecture is gonna be how you can actually boost your video to make it go viral. So how to boost it to get higher chances to make it go viral. So definitely it's gonna be an exciting module, and I'm really excited to bring you this stuff because these are some techniques that I have been using to get like hundreds of thousands of views on my main channel and all other channels that I'm currently selling. So definitely be sure to stay tuned for that.